Ensemble presents Snack-Off Plant-Based Culinary Competition at the Palo Alto J.C.C.
Welcome to the Snack-Off Culinary Competition that took place in Palo Alto in J.C.C. It was presented by Grandi Ensemble, where kids turn fresh local ingredients into magic on a plate. This is the grand finale of our farm-to-table culinary program. It's a hands-on journey where young chefs explore where their foods come from, then bring it to life with flavor, creativity, and purpose. And today, it's the final challenge. They're making a French classic ratatouille. It was packed with some garden-fresh zucchinis, tomatoes, eggplants, and herbs. You can see them chopping, stirring, plating, building confidence, motor skills, and leadership with every step. And this is more than a cooking class. It's really a movement, a joyful experience that teaches kids how to eat well, celebrates growth, teamwork, and power of real food. And if you like to bring this farm-to-table snack-off program to your school, community center, or after-school program, message us at 646-355-6351, and let's plant the seeds of change one dish at a time.